Hello everybody and a good day to you. So we have the XR6 back in the shed and it is now time for assembly. So the car is got a bunch of random stuff in it that we had in there from when we painted and everything else. So we're going to get all of that out, go through our boxes of parts and bits and pieces we have. We didn't label any of this stuff, so let's hopefully it shouldn't be too difficult to put everything back together. We didn't go too crazy on the strip outs, so we're going to do that, start putting all that stuff back in. We're also going to strip out the valve cover again while we're here. We're going to get that out, clean that up, rectify whatever we need to in there, sort out something with these clips on this wiring, some new gaskets, new seals in there, bit of custom work. And we also have to get the cabling in for the dual battery setup, which will run from here. More than likely there should be a hole down under here somewhere that we're going to fish out for that. So we're going to get stuck into this and clean it out first and go from there. And we're going to start from sort of the hood line and work our way down, jump around windows and handles and stuff. So might even do them first just to get that out of the way, but we'll make that happen. And speakers, stereo, all that sort of stuff has got to happen as we go. Then we'll see what trouble we run into and what we need to fix and rectify as we go. Minnie. So we're looking at the dual battery setup running in the XR6. So our goal here is to run a line from the battery here, which will be in the changeover relay somewhere in this area. We haven't quite worked that out. Sneak it down through the hole just down here that goes into the wheel well. Take off this guard and run it in under here, in through where the release for the hood goes. So the idea is to sneak it in through the same gasket. There's plenty of room, we can seal it off pretty well. This section that runs through the wheel well here, we'll probably cover that in some kind of hardened tube, just some basic water pipe or something, just for extra protection. It is only a single insulated flex 25mm, but we still want to protect that on any corners, any sharp edges, anywhere where we may get a short or any damage on the cable, which is more than likely in this main area here. So we'll protect it all the way through to the bay. When it goes through the car, we'll find the best place to run that into the boot. Doesn't need to be hooked up now. The idea is to get all of this stuff in before we get the carpet down, as it makes it a lot easier later on, so we don't have to rip up the carpet again or pull trims and stuff off. If we can get all that in now, we get that in, plus also run the 360-degree camera system at the same time. We'll also look at running some extra RCA cables and stuff for the stereo. If we need anything else, hopefully we shouldn't have any dramas later on if we have to add something, but we'll try to get everything in that we can think of right now anyway. So we'll start running this, we'll get this guard off and we'll go from there.